Hi readers, it's me, Miss M, and we are just about done with our lesson today. The last thing we have to do is read this very awesome story called Pam Likes to Nap. I'm going to read the name of that story one more time. Put your finger under the title and read each word with me. Here we go. Pam likes to nap. Nice job. When I turn the page of this story like this, I want you to pause the video so you can read the words first. When you're all done, you can play the video so we can read the words together. Go ahead and give it a try now. Hit pause and read the words on the screen. When you're ready, we'll read the page together. Go ahead. I am Pam. I am Sam's cat. So from this page, we've learned that Pam is the name of the cat in the story. Let's go to the next page. Pause here so you can read on your own. I like to nap. Cats like naps. I'm making a connection to this part. I like naps too. Let's go to the next page. Pause and read. I can nap on Sam's map. Your turn first. Pause and read. Can I nap in Sam's pan? Yes, I can. I'm going to challenge you to read that page one more time. See if you can make your voice match the question mark and the exclamation point that I see at the end of those two sentences. When we see a question mark in a sentence, can I nap in Sam's pan? That tells us to change our voice to make it sound like we're asking a question. Can I nap in Sam's pan? The next sentence has an exclamation point at the end, and that tells us to make our voice sound loud or excited. Yes, I can. Nice job. Pause here to read. A nap in a cap? Your turn. I can nap in a cap. Your turn to read. Pause here. I can nap on Sam's pack. A pack is another word for a backpack or a bag. Go ahead. Almost done. Your turn. I am Pam. I like to nap. And I'm noticing on the illustration, on the picture on the other side, there are 3 words, and it says pat, pat, pat. I think the boy in that story, Sam, is petting his cat. And that is the end of our story, friends. Thank you so much for doing all of this hard work with me this week. I will see you in a few days for some more reading. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye, everybody.